The companies winning right now all share one secret. They stopped treating AI like a tool and started using it to rebuild how work gets done. While everyone else is experimenting with prompts, the smartest CEOs are focused on 4 numbers: revenue per employee, operating margin, speed to proof, and scale. Because this isn't about making teams slightly faster. It's about creating a new layer of execution across the enterprise. With CloneForce, organizations deploy digital teammates, AI workers with identity, memory, permissions, and the ability to take action across systems, teams, and channels. Not assistants, not copilots. A governed workforce layer built for real business outcomes. And the payoff is measurable. 30 to 50% efficiency gains in complex workflows. 25 to 40% productivity improvement in knowledge work. In the right environments, dramatic gains in revenue per employee and meaningful margin expansion, with results that can be measured in months, not years. The real question for CEOs isn't whether agentic AI is coming, it's who will operationalize it first. Because the winners in this era won't just use AI, they'll use CloneForce. One platform, infinite possibility.